Chapter 4 Parts of a Plant. Learning Objectives. To understand the root system, the shoot system, germination. To find out functions of the root system, functions of the shoot system, conditions necessary for germination. Parts of a plant. The root system. The roots are the underground part of the plant. They hold the plants firmly in the soil. The roots mostly spread deep into the soil in search of water. There are two main types of roots. Taproot. The taproot has one main root which grows from the base of the stem into the soil. Many small roots branch out from the main root. Taproot can be seen in plants such as bean carrot and balsam. Fibrous root. The fibrous root consists of a bunch of bushy roots that grow from the base of the stem. Plants like grass, paddy, and wheat have fibrous roots. Functions of root. Roots hold the plant firmly in the soil. They help to hold the soil together. They absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Roots like carrot, radish, and others are eaten as food. The shoot system. The stem is the main part of the shoot system. It keeps the plant straight above the soil. The stems that come out from the seed are soft and tender. As they grow with the plant, they become greener and stronger. But stems in small plants like grass, tulsi, etc., are very soft and weak. They are green in color. Stems in trees grow strong, thick and brown and form the trunk of the tree. Functions of the stem. The stem keeps the plants straight up above the ground. The stem bears the leaves, branches, buds, flowers and fruits. The stem transports water and nutrients absorbed by the leaves to all parts of the plant. Stems such as sugar cane are edible. Some underground stems like potato and ginger grow under the soil and are also edible. In desert plants, the stems become thick and in desert plants, the stems become thick and juicy and carry out the work of leaves. They also store water for the plant, as in cactus. The leaf. The leaf is called the food factory of the plant. Most leaves are green in color, but have different shapes and sizes. Leaves are usually flat, broad and thin. The flat and broad part of the leaf is called the leaf blade or the lamina. A main vein runs through the center of the leaf and is called the midrib. Many veins run out of the midrib, forming a network throughout the leaves. They work to transport the water and nutrients throughout the leaf. They also transport the food made by the leaves. The leaf is connected to the stem at the leaf stalk, also called the petiole. Functions of a leaf. The leaf is called the food factory of the plant. The green color in the leaves is due to the presence of chlorophyll. It helps to absorb sunlight. Green leaves carry out photosynthesis in the presence of sunlight. They make food for the plant and also release oxygen in the process. The tiny openings present on the underside of the leaf are called stomata. They help the plants to breathe. Leaves like that of spinach, fenugreek and coriander are eaten as food. Flowers. Flowers are the most attractive part of the flower. Most plants bear flowers. They vary in color, shape and smell. The flowers grow into fruits. Fruits and seeds. Flowers grow into fruits. Fruits have either one or many seeds inside them. Functions of fruits and seeds. Fruits are the fleshy part of the plant that are eaten by man and animals. Fruits contain seeds. The seed contains the baby plant that grows into a new plant. Seeds like that of wheat, rice, pulses and peas are eaten by man as food. Germination. The process by which a seed gives rise to a new plant is called germination. The seeds are first buried in the soil. When they get sufficient air and water, they grow into new plants. Let's revise. The plant is made of the root system and the shoot system. The root holds the plant under the ground. The stem holds the plant above the ground. The roots may be tap root or fibrous root. The roots absorb water and minerals for the plants. These are transported by the stem to various parts of the plant. The leaf is the food factory of the plant. The leaf is attached to the main plant with the help of a petiole. The flowers turn into fruits. The fruits have seeds in them that grow into new plants.